Here I have TOSHIBA AT10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. What you have to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time, power button, volume down button at the same time, and let's get it. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, delete, slideshow, edit, crop, set picture as or details your screenshots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.